potatoes that smell delicious. Duck fat. Duck fat in the can. It's like suntan oil. Black tray.
And look at that chicken fat. It's going to spray all over it.
Oh yeah. Fresh green potatoes. There it is. Ding dong, ding dong. Let's see. Ooh, baby. Those potatoes.
Are you kidding? Look all that chicken schmaltz on there. Oh my goodness.
Pretty good. See what we got here. 74.
Well, 67. I
That's
think
looking
we're
pretty
good.
good. That's looking pretty good.
All right. I'll give you a tongue.
I can do it by hand. Oh, that's hot.
Right, so I'm going to give you a tongs.
Flavorful. Nice one. That's what is. Nice one. Yes. That is unbelievable.
Before we tear into it, I do want to get a picture of my taters.
Yeah, that's going to be fan-freaking-tastic.